Hello, today I'm in Mitsubishi ASX. In this video I'll show you how to reset service reminder. Firstly, let's take a look at the instrument cluster display. Now wait for the notification. And as you can see right now, we've got the routine maintenance required. To reset it, turn off the ignition and now press info button located right here. Here we've got the service info. Press and hold this button. Let it go and press again. Select clear and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.